Let me try something. I want you to counter this. I'm going to say something to you, and I want you to oppose it, okay? Mm-hmm. I know you better than you know yourself.
No, that's easy. That's something my mother said 1,000,000 times over.
That comes from your mother, those exact words?
Yes,
I know you better than you know yourself.
those exact words, yes. She always said that. She felt that she did. I don't know why.
You know what I'd like to try? I'd like to try a procedure known as the empty chair technique. For this, I want you to imagine something rather clearly, and the something is that your mother is sitting in this chair, you see? Mm-hmm. I'm going to leave the chair, and your mother is sitting in this chair, and your mother is saying to you, I know you better than you know yourself, okay? Now, that's your mother in the chair, and I want you to tell your mother that she does not know you better than you know yourself. You tell her that you know yourself best.
Well,
Look at her as though she's really there. Imagine this, and tell her what we are talking about. Tell her, Mother, I know myself best.
I feel a little silly.
You'll get into it.
Mother, you don't know me better than I know myself. I know myself best.
Try and be more convincing. Tell her.
Mother, I know myself best.
Good.
You don't know me better than I know myself.
Very good. Now, would you become your mother? Sit there now, and then act your mother. Let's see what she says.
I feel sort of silly.
Don't worry, you'll get into it as we roll along. You'll get into it. Try it out. Become your mother, you see.
Marianne, dear, you know that I know you best. I've raised you, after all, and I remember when you were a little girl, you were always very good. You would always say that. And very kind and sweet. And sometimes you just have the ability to let people walk all over you.
Okay, now you come back again and be yourself. Let's see what you can answer your mother.
Mother, when you talk to me like that, I feel like I'm 5 years old.
Less whiny, less whiny. Try and be more direct.
Mother, when you talk to me like that, I feel as if I'm 5 years old and I'm an adult woman.
Good, good.
I'm a grown-up.
Okay, tell her not to patronize you, you see.
I would prefer that you weren't so patronizing.
Very good. Okay,
always talk to me as if I'm a child.
Good. Let's hear what she has to say now.
Marianne, of course I know you're an adult. I mean, you're a married woman, and you have a family. You've done very well with your work. But somehow or another, you still don't seem to be able to stand up to Jim very well. And I don't really see anything different than I did with you when you were a child and even in high school. You seem to have the same problem with friends who are stronger.
Come back. Let's see your answer to that.
Mother, oh, I feel something that I want to say.
Yes, say it.
Sometimes I wonder if maybe it just doesn't make you feel better telling me that.
Good, good, good.
And I think it's about time you understood that I really do know best how I feel, and
that you are very angry. Tell her you're angry.
And that I'm very angry, Mother. Yes, angry. I just have the feeling that somehow or another I'm fulfilling some need in you that you've never resolved for yourself.
Good, very good. I like that. I like that. I think that's very good. How do you feel? In a certain sense, I've been prompting you. I don't want to put too many words into your mouth, but what do you feel? What did you get out of that brief interchange?
I can't believe it. I really felt anger. You know, I felt anger coming out inside of me.
That surprises you?
Yes, I guess for most of my adult life I had this feeling inside of me that my mother was kind of using my meekness, and
I think that's very good. I think that that's a very important point, and it's certainly one that fits in very well to the things that we've been talking about, and we will use it together in a very constructive way.
I hope so. I couldn't believe how angry I got, though. It felt good.
Good, I'm glad. I think it's important. I think that one of the things you do is deny your anger. We'll look at that with your husband and some other people as well.
Mm-hmm.